Whether you're a full-time student on campus or a non-traditional student balancing coursework with a job, family, and other commitments, being successful in college is within your reach. Here are 5 tips to help you achieve your goals. Tip number 1, know your goals and values. What is it that you're trying to achieve by pursuing an education? Tip number 2, go to class and attend office hours. One key aspect of achieving your goals is by showing up. Your professors have a wealth of knowledge. Use that knowledge to your advantage. Tip number 3, assess your learning style. Everyone's brain processes information differently. Figuring out how you learn best and the study habits that suit your learning style can help build confidence in your ability to succeed academically. Number 4, don't procrastinate. If you start early, you'll feel less overwhelmed when the deadline approaches. Just get it done. Tip number 5, get involved. School isn't just all about writing papers and taking tests. You can also join clubs and organizations and attend campus events. Find activities that interest you and meet new people.